Hello guys, we're back to our video and today we are going to play. So anyways guys, I'm going to play with this Onigan Zero stage. So I'm going to collect this one stage. So anyways guys, if you want to see our videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe, so I'm gonna troll her, okay? Then I made it. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I'm not going to speed on this. So anyways guys, please comment me if you want guys. So I'm going to beat her once again. So I only got stage 3. Okay. So I just troll it, but they just so close. All of them are going to chase me out this. Okay, this is could be the day 5, I guess, I don't know. So this is stage 5. Okay, I'm going to beat her. Ooh, run. Oh my goodness, I'm so slow. So anyways guys, I'm not going to beat these games for a while, so I only got stage 8. We need to collect the I don't know. So anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this game guys. So, okay, do you want to play? Do you want to add big hobby to favorite? I know. Okay, so that's good, guys. We're going to collect this. Okay, let's troll it. How about we troll it? Okay, let's troll it. Okay, let's troll. One, two. No. How about we troll? Nah, again. No, he's cheating. No. What the heck? No. What the heck? I need to cheat. Bro, not fair. No, I need to fall. Look at you. You're a lazy bone. Wait. What the heck? See, he's cheating. No. Oh my goodness. He's cheating. He's chasing me. No. Oh, what's that? Who are you? Oh, do not touch the laser. If I touch it, then I'm gonna skip it. Okay. Do not touch this thing. I don't know. I don't know what to about it. Okay. Stage 18. Okay. That's good. Good, huh? Done. Can't do. Can't do this, huh? Why he's cheating? He's cheating now. He's cheating. What the heck? No. No! Oh my goodness, I'm lagging. Bro, I'm so going to just... Bro, I... One. Come on, we need to beat this game. Come on. I wanna so I'm going to beat this. Okay. So, good. Okay. I don't know what to talk about this. I don't know. What the heck? Hey, what are you doing, huh? I'm going to cheat you. Hey, what are you doing? He's so fast. No. What the heck? No. He's stage 424. What the heck? I'm so pro. Do not touch it. Do not touch laser. Do not touch it. Oh, huh? Huh? I'm going to troll you. Hmm? Okay. Let me I hate this. No! No! Wait, accident. Bro, how? Shit. No, it was an accident. No. Bro, no. Okay. What the heck? What the heck? No. Do not. Do not. One. No! Bro, how? How can I beat this? Okay. We need to beat her now. What the heck? What is wrong with him? Why does he fast? I don't like it. Okay, so we're going to beat this. Bro, what the heck? No, I'm so low. Stop doing that. No, no. Bro, he's chasing me. No, stop it. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm stuck. No! What the heck is wrong with him? I hate this game. What the heck, he's speedrun this. What the heck, huh? You try me? You know what? I'm going to leave this game. He's so fast. He's cheating. Bro. Oh, she's so fast. I'm going to beat him. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, we need to beat him. I'm gonna beat him. I'm going to troll him. Okay, troll him. Come on, I'm going to troll him. Wait, hold on. Go, 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 go. Come on, we should beat this game, guys. So, anyways, guys, I got the stage 3. So, might get close. That close. We'll beat this game. Because I just troll it. Again. I just trolled again. Oh, okay. One, two. Yo, run, run, run. Mommy, let go, mommy. Mm. Oh, 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 oh. I don't want to touch the laser. I didn't even fall. I just fall one fall. One fall. Okay. One, two, three, four. Put some. Okay, go, 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 go. I need to troll players. I need to troll players. I need to troll him. Okay, let's troll it. Okay. Okay, go. Also, guys, 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 so anyways, guys, I know I just troll him. Okay, he's so mad. He's so big. We'll just troll him again. I'm going to troll him again. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna play Jimmy. Okay. Okay, I'm going to troll him. Okay. Come on, go, go. He's freezing. No, I didn't even close enough. Okay. Oh no, he's so fast. He's very fast. Go, 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 go. No, come on. You're gonna close. I'm gonna close enough. No, no, he's so fast. No. Oh no, I can't even do this. Okay. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, he's over the phone. No, no, no. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh, no, no, she's not. You're not a pro anymore. Woo. Happy everybody for you here. Happy so come on. Go! He's so fast. No. Go. Go. No, I wanted to throw him. I wanted to throw him. No. 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 He's so annoying. No. No. Damn, I can't beat him. I can't beat him. I'm going to beat him. He's so fast. Very fast. No, I wanna beat this game. I wanna be. No, I wanna beat this game. I wanna beat this game. I wanna beat this game. Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, please. 4, guys. Come on. This is the game. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Oh no 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 go 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 go. Only got stage 17. Please go go. Please stage 71. Please. Come on. What the heck? Please him. Okay, we need to beat. I need to troll him. Okay. So anyways, guys, I don't go to troll him. I accidentally troll him. Uh, uh. Oh my goodness. Do not fall. If I fall, then I'm dead. Okay, guys. So guys, I don't troll him. I just troll him. Accidentally troll. Let's troll him. Okay. Hey you. Go. Run. Run faster. Go. Go. You can beat it. You can beat it. Come on. He made a wrong way. Look at him. GG! Oh wait, hold on. I just beat this game. Wait, hold on. Okay, only got GG guys. GG! Touch. Okay guys, so that is good. I just trolled him. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to subscribe. So anyways guys, goodbye.